Hello everyone. I have seen many parents confused as how can they help their child speak in English at home? How can they help their child develop confidence to speak in English at home? So the good news is you don't have to be an expert to help your child. With a few simple daily habits, you can create a great learning environment at home and you can make your child confident and fluent in English. So in today's video, I will share 5 easy ways to help your child start speaking in English confidently. So let's start. Now the first thing is start with simple daily words. So you have to start with simple words. You don't have to start with sentences directly. For example, use simple English words in daily conversation. For example, good morning, come here, sit down, drink water, open the door. So these are the small words that you can start with your children. Because children they learn faster when they hear English in real situations. You don't expect them to start speaking English while reading something. You have to give them real situations and make them speak out. Start with small sentences and then repeat them every day. So first you have to start with small words and then slowly small sentences to start with so that they can have confidence and speak English confidently. Next thing that you have to take care is you have to talk about daily activities. You cannot expect your child to just start speaking paragraphs, long paragraphs at the initial stage. You have to talk about their daily routines. You can ask them simple questions. What did you eat today? What did you learn in school? Who is your best friend? And this way you can motivate them to just tell you their daily routine. They can answer these questions in English and this will build their confidence because appreciation is what is required. If your child answers small sentences, you have to appreciate your child. You cannot just keep on nagging that what have you done, you have made such mistake, correct it, speak right, because if you keep on nagging them, then they'll stop, they'll lose their confidence and they'll stop speaking in English. So first thing is you need to appreciate their effort and this will definitely build confidence in your child to speak in English fluently. Next thing is you have to use stories and picture books because children they love stories. So you have to read short stories or picture books with them. You can, while reading the stories or picture books, you can ask questions like what do you see in the picture? Who is this character? What is happening here? So when you ask these small questions, when they'll answer, this will definitely improve their vocabulary, imagination and speaking skills. They will try to answer a question and this is how they learn to speak English confidently. Now tip 4 is watch English cartoons together. You can sit with your child and you can watch cartoons with them. English cartoons can be fun learning tool for them. They can easily learn because they learn to copy their favorite characters. So they will try to copy and then they'll try to speak in English only. Watch them together and ask your child, what did the character say? Can you repeat that sentence? And with these small questions, you can motivate them to speak in English. This helps children learn natural pronunciation and expressions and just make sure the screen time is limited and meaningful. But you have to keep a check on the screen time. Don't make it too long. Now last tip is encourage, don't correct too much. This is what I have told you earlier also that you need to appreciate their efforts. You don't have to correct them too much because you can take the example of yourselves. If someone keeps on correcting you, then you will not be confident in speaking in front of that person. So same is the case with children. Don't correct them too much. Children they feel shy if they are corrected again and again, so they will not speak, they will stop speaking, they will stop trying. Instead you need to encourage them. You have to praise their effort and gently repeat the correct sentence. You can repeat the correct sentence that this was the correct sentence, but you need to praise their effort also, that yes you tried good, but this sentence has to be spoken in this way. Now for example, child, if he says he go to school, you can say yes he goes to school. So this is how you can correct your child without making him without embarrassing the child. The child learns without losing confidence, and this is how the child learns, and he will not lose his confidence also. So I want to repeat that you just have to remember that you have to use simple English daily, ask questions, read stories, watch educational cartoons with them, and encourage your child. So with daily practice and patience, you will see that your child will start speaking English naturally and confidently. So you have to be consistent and confident, and appreciation is very important. You need to appreciate your child a lot. Thank you so much. See you next time.